Welcome to literature students, BA part second, semester third. Subject English literature. In last video, we have learned about chapter second, the novel. Here, this chapter has been completed. Today, we are going to new chapter third, and chapter third is based on the short story. Here we are going to learn origin of the short story, structure, purpose of the short story. So let us learn. So here firstly we shall see introduction of the short story. The short story is a comparatively recent development in the English literature. Yes, that is the recent current development of the short story. Firstly, the drama, after that novel have been originated. After its short story has originated. So that is recent form of literature. Even at the time of the Chaucer, there were the short story, but in verse. Yes, there is a short Chaucerian. Chaucerian belong to 14th century. So there was a short story, but that is in the verse, not in the fiction or prose. For example, Canterbury Tales, but they lack the prose medium. So there is a no prose medium is used, but now short stories are written into prose medium or prose form. At the same time, Boccaccio tells in the prose with the great success. His short story were Italian. So Boccaccian written short story in Italian means he is from Italy. In 16th century and 17th century, these prose romances were translated in English. After that Italy prose romance translated into English. So here they also cannot be claimed as direct ancestor of modern short story. In 18th century, Addison and the Steele involved more short story. After that also in 18th century, Addison and Steele both are the famous writers. They wrote also short story. But they are the different from today's short story. So this is the introduction of the short story. You remember. Firstly, long answer question. Start from the introduction. The issue step of writing model short story was taken from Nathaniel Hawthorne and Edgar Allan Poe. So both wrote short story. Nathaniel Hawthorne and after that Edgar Allan Poe. Both of them gave much stress on the initial and impulse of short story writing. So they focus on the short story and they wrote the short story. So now we are going to learn structure of the short story. The short story is not merely a shorter novel. Of course, it has usually element of the fiction line. That is not shortened novel, but like fiction, here also use of the structure like plot, setting, rising action, falling action, climax, etc. So here is also plot and characters are important in also short story. So short story like the novel, but few structure of short stories involved. But they cannot be treated with the same detail in the novel. Each has to be reduced to the minimum. The unnecessary detail should be avoided. So here means unnecessary detail are avoided in the short story. That's why short story is the best for reading. Means if you read the short story, we understand easily meaning of the short story, and after that we understand easily characters relationship and what is in that short story book. So we understand easily. That's why in written form short story is a famous. So here some time one of the three elements may predominate over the other two. So here is also means there is a one of the three elements. These elements, in other words, the writer may construct a short story and character setting. There is a story, character and setting are important in short story. So here we are going to learn structure, and we are learning structure. There may be fitted according to the requirements. Someone the character is written and the plot and setting are the edges. So for example, the bottle imp. There is a bottle imp is a short story. So is a short story of plot. Dr. Jekyll and the Mr. Hyde is a story of the character. So bottle imp. There is a plot is important. So another novel is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So there is a story of character important. So here is point of the structure. So first point, a short story writer has to be economic while using the language. Yes, they use the appropriate language. Every word should be contribute of its effect. So they also use appropriate words. They think using words. Another point is the short story avoided unnecessary detail. Yes, there is a unnecessary details is avoided always short story. That's why it is called as a short story. The writer must use the apt word and the suggestive phrases. Yes, they use the appropriate word, suggestive phrases, and available or necessary phrases and word they use. Third point is descriptive passage should be avoided. There is a long passage, unnecessary passages are avoided while writing short story. The writer must use apt word. It used they must increase the total effect here. Next point is a short story must have the beginning, middle and end. So there are the beginning, middle and end like the structure of the novel. A short story writer has a limited freedom compared to the novelist. He has a limited freedom to the short story writers than the novelist. So these are the points of the structure. Now let us see the practice in modern world. So here is means who written the short story in modern age and which writer are famous in short story. So here is the point is practice in the modern world. The short story is a favorite form in the present day writing. Yes, in recent era, short story is a favorite and like form of reader because it is short. That's why. Total man is awfully busy. Yes, means in this era maximum reader read the short story. He has no time to read a novel in the city. Most short story can be read in the one city. Hence it becomes the popular. Broadcasting also play the role to the make short story a success. There also short stories are published on the broadcasting. That's why short stories are famous. From the time of Stevenson, short story become the popular medium. There is the age of the Stevenson. Stevenson is a famous writer. He wrote also short story. Name of Stevenson. So today it is a popular nearly all in the country. So like that short story is a famous, and here we discuss about introduction, structure, definition of short story. So you read properly. So next video we will learn next part of this chapter. Thank you.